I'm most looking forward to actually being able to listen to some of the keynotes this time, have a chance to join the discussion tables, because obviously usually we will be based at the manufacturer studio all day, and although we're getting a chance to talk to people, we don't get to really hear those engaging conversations with manufacturers. So I'm really looking forward to that. Also looking forward to moderating one of the panel discussions, and that's all about sort of upskilling the workforce, but with a focus on digital skills. So I think that will be really interesting. The editorial team will be around at the conference over the 2 days. You'll probably see us with these microphones, with a camera, doing a couple of interviews. You'll probably see us on the discussion tables. You might see some of us on stage, but please feel free to come and say hello. We might know you, but you might not have had a chance to speak to us yet, so it'll be really nice just to catch up.